Over the past few decades, strange and mysterious sounds have been reported around the world. Sounds that many describe as eerie, powerful, and at times, downright terrifying. These sounds are often referred to as the apocalypse sounds, low, booming noises that seem to come from nowhere, from distant rumbles that shake the ground to trumpet-like blasts echoing through the sky. These sounds have left people wondering, what are they? Could they be the result of natural phenomena, military experiments, or something far more mysterious? In today's episode, we'll dive into the mystery of these unexplained sounds and explore several theories about what they might really be. Before we jump in, if you enjoy exploring the strange and unexplained, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new investigation. Now let's get started. Reports of these strange sounds started gaining attention around 2008. Suddenly, people from all over the world began describing unnerving noises, loud, metallic, and often completely unexplained. Residents of places like Canada, the United States, the United Kingdom, and even Australia started to report hearing what can only be described as low-frequency rumbles, booming like distant thunder. One of the most notable reports came from the small town of Lubusz, Poland in 2011, where residents described hearing loud mechanical sounds that lasted for hours. The noises were so intense that they reverberated through the streets, yet there were no storms, no clear cause, just a strange, unidentifiable noise. So, what exactly do these sounds sound like? Well, there are a few common features that seem to show up across the board. First, most people who have heard these sounds say they seem to come from above, often from the sky. Some liken them to distant thunder, but with no storms in sight. Others say the sounds are more metallic, almost like the groaning of an ancient machine or a massive engine. Second, people often report that the sounds seem to have no obvious source. They might hear the noises on a quiet night or during the day, but no one can seem to pinpoint where they're coming from. No visible source, no machine, nothing in the sky. Finally, these sounds are not always brief. Sometimes they last only a few minutes, but in other cases they can persist for hours or even days. The intensity of the noise varies, but it always seems to leave people with a sense of unease and confusion. Let's start by exploring some natural explanations for these mysterious sounds. Could they be a result of atmospheric or geological activity? One of the more plausible natural explanations involves weather conditions. Some scientists believe that temperature inversions could cause sounds to travel unusually far distances. This could make a regular storm sound much louder and deeper, even if it's far away. Another theory suggests that seismic activity might be to blame. The Earth's crust is constantly shifting, and sometimes small earthquakes, or even just geological movements, can create deep rumbling sounds that can be heard miles away. While both of these explanations are possible, they don't fully explain the eerie mechanical nature of many of these sounds, or why they seem to appear so suddenly without any visible warning. Now, let's take a look at a more unnerving theory. Could these sounds be the result of secret military experiments or advanced technology? Some researchers believe that these sounds could be linked to experimental military technologies. Specifically, high-powered sound waves, also known as sonic weapons, are being tested in secret. These devices are capable of creating intense, low-frequency sounds that can cause physical discomfort, disorientation, or even incapacitation. Imagine this: a weapon that could incapacitate people with nothing but sound. The military has long been interested in using sound as a weapon, and many believe that these sounds could be the result of such experiments. If these weapons are being tested, the sounds would likely be heard by the public, even if they aren't intended to cause harm. Could this be what we're hearing? Are these strange noises the product of new cutting-edge technology? And if so, why is it happening in public spaces? But what if these sounds aren't from Earth at all? What if they're coming from somewhere else? Some believe these sounds might be a form of communication, maybe even a signal, from extraterrestrial beings. Could these noises be a message from aliens? Perhaps a warning or an invitation to contact? Some people point to the similarity between these sounds and ancient descriptions of trumpet blasts or cosmic events in religious texts, like the Bible's prophecy of the trumpet of God. Other theories suggest that these sounds could be connected to supernatural or paranormal forces, perhaps signals from another dimension, or even signs of a coming cataclysmic event. Are we being warned by forces beyond our understanding? Are these sounds connected to a larger, more mysterious force? Finally, there's another theory worth considering. Could these sounds be coming from deep within the Earth itself? Some scientists believe that underground caverns or hidden geological activity might be the source of these strange noises. The Earth's crust is full of unseen activity, volcanic eruptions, seismic movements, and even underwater currents. Could these noises be a result of something deep beneath our feet? Is the Earth itself trying to tell us something? Or is there something hidden, something we haven't yet discovered, creating these mysterious sounds? So, what are these apocalypse sounds? Are they simply the result of natural phenomena? Or could they be something far more sinister? Could they be linked to secret military technology, or even extraterrestrial forces trying to communicate with us? Or perhaps they're a sign that something deeper within our planet is trying to make itself known? These strange sounds remain one of the most perplexing mysteries of our time, and for now the truth is still out there, waiting to be uncovered. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these mysterious noises. Do you think they're a warning or just another unexplained phenomenon? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel for more investigations into the unexplained, and make sure to activate the notification bell so you're always the first to know when a new mystery is uncovered. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep seeking the truth.